Good morning, Year 3. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's task. It was a really good way to practice our addition, subtraction, multiplication and division skills. Now, today we're going to have a little look at some fluency, reasoning and problem solving. Let's start by having a look at this question. Let's read it together. Eva has 169 sweets in a jar. She gives 37 sweets to Mo. Which model represents this problem? Now have a look at A, B, C and D. You've got bar models and part whole models. Look at each of them really carefully. Don't jump in too quickly. Always take your time and have a little look. Think about what they're showing to you or think about what they're saying to you, and then you decide which one best represents it. If you've got someone next to you or near you, can you tell them? Can you explain to them? Give them reasons why. Justify your answers. Try and use the word because to explain your thinking. If there isn't anybody there, don't worry. Imagine you're explaining to me, or imagine that you're explaining to the buddy that you normally sit next to in maths. Try and give reasons for your thinking. And then you can also explain why the other ones are not correct. So explain which one is right and why, and explain why the others are wrong and why. Pause the video and we'll be back together in a minute. Good luck, guys. So hopefully you managed to have a chat with someone, or a chat with me or your friend, and then let's go through it. So if we look at the options, if we look at A, it's saying that 132 is the largest number, and we know it isn't. If you look at B, we're saying that the whole one is 132, and again it isn't. If we look at C, it's saying 169 is the whole one, or the largest number, and it is. So that one must be right. But let's just check D just to make sure. Yeah, look, D is saying that 37 is the whole one, and that's not correct either, is it? So C is the correct one because it's showing the total number as the largest bar. And we know that we're subtracting 37, so that would leave 132, which again, the two smaller parts make up the whole one. If it was the part whole model, we would have 37 as a part, 132 as a part, and the whole one would be 169. I hope that's helped a little bit. I would imagine that if you jumped in too quick, you may have made the mistake of thinking perhaps this one or perhaps this one is the answer. But I hope you've done okay. Let's have a look at this question. Tommy has 4 bags with 5 sweets in each bag. Annie has 6 bags with 4 sweets in each bag. Who has more sweets? How many more sweets do they have? Draw a picture to show this problem. Now, this means draw a bar model. Have a go, pause the video, and I'll be back. Let's have a look at what you came up with. So we know Tommy has got 4 bags with 5 sweets. So our bar has 4 for the 4 bags, and each of them has 5. So we have 4 multiplied by 5. And then we have Annie. Annie has 6 bags. So there's our bar with 6 sections for the 6 bags. Each of them have 4 sweets in. So the multiplication is 6 multiplied by 4, which is 24. So who had more sweets? Yeah, you're right, Annie. So Annie has more sweets. Now, we mustn't forget this part because the other part of the question says, how many more sweets do they have? Well, the difference between 20 and 24 is 4. So she has 4 more sweets than Tommy. So Annie has the most by 4. Did you get that right? I hope so. If not, go back through the question and compare it to yours and see where perhaps you may have made a mistake. But if you got it, brilliant, well done. So for today's task, now it's a really good one because we can draw on everything we've done over the week, and I think you'll be really proud of yourselves. There are 5 questions. Now I need you to read them really carefully and decide what it is you need to do. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, what is it you need to do? Now don't worry that the bar model, one of the bar models in question 2, looks a little bit different to our Inspire bar models. I tried to put one in earlier just to give you an idea that as long as you understand how a bar model works, you'll be able to calculate the answer. So don't panic, it's all good. Right, have a go at these. Do your best. If there's any you're unsure of, we'll go through them tomorrow, but I think you'll be absolutely fab at them. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you can do. Don't forget, you can take a photo and upload it onto your work folder on Purple Mash. I look forward to seeing what you've done, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. See you later, guys. Bye.